Welcome to Chenyls Academy of Dance Stage Makeup Tutorial for 2020. Let's start with the primer all over the face and neck to keep a barrier on the skin to protect it from everything else going on and to make it last all night. Then we'll do foundation, can be BB cream, can be tinted moisturiser, any foundation. Make sure it's a good colour match, get it all over the face. Go down the neck, make sure you blend really well. Get the ears because they go red when we get hot. And just blend, blend, blend. Now we're going to set the face with a translucent setting powder. That's going to keep our foundation in place. Now we'll fill the eyebrows. You could use an eyebrow pencil. I'm using an eyebrow shadow. Just filling in with a liner brush and then blending with it like a mascara wand is what that's like, a spoolie. Make sure you get a good colour match. You don't want them to be too dark, but the right colour. An eye primer or a skin-toned shadow for the lids to have a good base for the rest of the shadow going on. Now we'll do the pink on the eyelid. Just getting that lower lid part from the lash line just to below the crease there. A nice shimmery gold for the crease line and under the brow bone. Just after you finish this, if you have a nice glittery gold that you can put all over. Now a white or ivory colour under the brows. Line the top lids, give it a wing. Liquid liner will be your best friend, or a very pointy black eyeliner pencil, but a liquid liner makes it very easy to just draw it straight on like a pen. Now we're going to use a black or brown liner on the bottom waterline. Seniors and intermediate will wear the fake lashes. It could be magnetics if they'll stay all night, or just a glue-on lash. Mascara for your top and bottom lashes. Make sure you get into all areas right up to the lash line. Big smiles to get the blush on the apples of the cheek and a sweep upwards. Pink or red lip liner. Do it all over the lips as this will last all night. Then a lipstick over the top. Keep a lipstick in their touch-up bags for behind the stage for them to fix throughout the show. Set everything with a setting spray so everything stays in place for the whole night. You can let it air dry or pat it all over with a brush, a nice powder puff brush. Thank you for watching our tutorial for 2020. Enjoy your concert.